Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be teaching you how to draw a Hello Kitty. So the materials you will need is a permanent marker, a thin Sharpie, and then a pink crayon and a red crayon. So let's get started. First, we will need to use the permanent marker to draw the head. So let's start. First, we need to draw the bottom. So let's draw the bottom. And it's gonna come up a little like that because the bow is going to be cutting it off. So now we're gonna need to draw the ear. And over here you need to stop because the bow will be cutting it off. Now we're gonna draw the circle. That is gonna be for the bow. And then we're gonna draw the sides. And we're gonna draw the other ear. Now we're gonna draw the eyes. So the eyes are gonna be here and here. And we're gonna have a nose. Now we're gonna color in the eyes because the eyes are black. Now I am done coloring the eyes. So let's draw the body. So we're gonna draw the feet down here. So just draw 2 ovals. So I'm done drawing the 2 ovals. So we're gonna draw a line connecting it. And then we're gonna draw 2 other lines connecting the head and the body. So it's just like that. Now let's draw a semicircle here. That will be its clothes. And now we're on to its hands. So just draw a line here. And we're gonna draw a little bump here. And draw another bump connecting it. And then now I'm gonna use my thin Sharpie and make a line. You don't need to use a thin Sharpie though. And then next I'm going to draw a hand up here. So draw a little hump here and draw a bigger hump here and draw it coming down. And then we're gonna draw the sleeves. So I'm gonna use my thin Sharpie and make a line. And now we are gonna draw the whiskers. So draw 3 whiskers here. 1, 2, 3. And now we're gonna draw 2 whiskers here because this hand is blocking 1. So now we're on to coloring. But I'm gonna add some designs to my bow. So on on Hello Kitty, like what Hello Kitty really looks like.
Okay, go.
Okay, so now we're on to coloring. So we're gonna get out our red crayon and color the bow. So I am almost done coloring the bow. I'm just touching it up because there's some white spots. Now I am done coloring my bow. So the shirt is supposed to be red and in here is pink and the sleeves are also pink. So I'm gonna use the pink in color. Okay, so I'm done coloring everything that is pink. So I'm gonna color its shirt. So I am done coloring my Hello Kitty. So this is how it should look like at the end. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!